Let's talk about bank account ownership types, specifically around joint owners and authorized signers, because there's all of this terminology and jargon and they come with different rights and responsibilities. When you open a bank account, it's important to know who has access, who has ownership, and what happens if something goes wrong, so let's break it down clearly. Starting with joint account holders. A joint account means that two or more people own an account together, and each joint owner has equal access to the account, or in other terms, equal access to the funds in the account. They can both deposit, they can both withdraw funds, close the account, make changes to the account without the other person's permission. They're all fully responsible for any fees, overdrafts, or issues on the account. And if one of the joint owners passes away, the money in the account typically goes to the surviving owners unless otherwise stated. Joint accounts are often used by married couples, business partners, parents, and children, but there's a big remember here. You gotta remember, the moment someone becomes joint on your account, a joint owner, they legally own the money too, so if they have debts or legal issues, the funds could be at risk. Now let's talk about authorized signers. An authorized signer, on the other hand, does not own the account. They simply just have permission to access it on behalf of the owner. So in this case, they can still deposit or withdraw money, they can write checks, they can pay bills, but they cannot close the account, add or remove account owners, claim the funds if the owner dies. This is often used when, say, an elderly person wants help managing their finances, or even if someone wants another person to assist without giving up legal control. And the main differences between the two for ownership purposes is that joint owners have legal rights to the money. Authorized signers do not. For survivorship purposes, joint owners usually inherit the funds if the other owner dies. Authorized signers do not. For liability reasons, joint owners are responsible for any fees or legal actions, while authorized signers are not unless they misuse the account. So a quick tip is to never add anybody as joint on the account unless you fully trust them. If all you need is help managing the account, an authorized signer or even a POA or power of attorney might be a better move, but consult your banker or seek legal help from an attorney. So understanding account ownership is crucial for protecting your finances, your estate, and your relationship. Talk to your banker or a financial advisor if you're unsure which setup fits your situation the best. I'm working on a beginner to banking playlist, so stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.